Yo, what's up, guys? Now we're learning about styling our text in a Bootstrap way. So let's do it. Let's call it text styling. So be ready to just miss your web page now. So the first one is a small tag, like say this is a small text, and okay, small text actually. Yeah. And there's something called mark as well, and mark tag. Yeah, let's see what it does, and see if you can notice or not from in this video. But this is what it's doing is making a little background, inline background in here. That's what mark does. And yes, what else are there? Well, yeah, there's another one called block quote. And block code basically like writes a code. It is used for writing a code. Maybe you've seen on the Forbes.com, you know, on the very first page you say it. For example, let me write a code. Like one of my friends said to me, like you said, people seem to laugh when I say my name, he said to me, and his name was Richard Stewart. Let's check it out. Boom. So pretty good, isn't it? So that's what block code does. You know, and inside block code, create paragraph and create footer for it. So remember this one, paragraph and footer in there to make it look like this thing. Yeah. And what else are there? And yes, you can also write a block code on different direction. For example, if you want to write it on the right, just call it class equals block code reverse. Now what this does is it writes it to the right direction, and yeah, it does. And what else are there? Well, there is something called a what is DT or what SDL, I think so. DL is a alternative for a list thing if you learn in HTML. So DL, inside DL there is a DT tag. So let's say like heading like my cross, and inside of A there's a DD for explaining it. And suppose let's say call it first Selena Gomez, and let's say next one to be like Emma Watson. Doesn't like this person, right? But anyway, so let's check it out, and yes, we get it. That's basically what we get. All right, let's put it dash sign here just to make sure it looks great, as it does. And also they are different others, like what else are there? There's something called classes as well. So we'll be using our classes in the text. For example, let's create a paragraph. Let's say hello world, and in here let's call it class to be like text mutate. Let's check it out. What this does is it makes the text kind of mutate. What this is what they call for it. Also there is a next one. Let's get a paragraph again, and let's say like something else. Okay, and let's call this class to be like text primary. So let's see what it does now. And basically it's like it's a blue one, so that's what text primary is. Also you can write, if you write a bg instead of text, it just makes the background primary. And yes, it just makes it primary. And here as well, let's write bg. I'm not sure what it does. Maybe it just makes a muted background, or it didn't do anything else. Fine. Let's see what I say. Anyway, there's also next one. Let's say I Stanley, and let's give a class to be like text success. Make sure I spell it correct, otherwise just written it on here. Yes, it's a green one, so green is success, right? And what else? Success, and this info as well. Yeah, let's say like this is a information, and the class equals text info. I think that is it. Let's see it. Yes, it is. So just makes it kind of blue color. And next one, what else are there? There's a warning as well. Yeah, I forgot warning and danger, two of them. So I'm warning you, like, and let's call this class to be warning. Like text warning, and let's check it out. So this is a warning sign, and also there's a danger. Yeah, let's again write this like this is very danger. Alright, and call it a danger thing. Text, is that danger? No, it's not. DENGER. Alright, DENGER. And it's much more red. So this is all the way of styling a text. And there is something called, yeah, the BG. We use BG for making a background, for example, background danger. So just become completely, the whole thing becomes kind of red. So yeah, basically that's what text styling does. What else are there? And maybe there is something called KBD as well. So let me just show you real quick. KBD, which is stand for keyboard input. For example, just make, first of all, let's write paragraph. It's like press city control plus yes to save a file supports, and I want to make it a keyboard press, right? So KBD, and let's close this KBD. Let's check it out now. So yeah, this is what KBD does. Just make it kind of black, all back. And this next one also, something called code. I forgot to say, yes, there's code as well. For example, it's like paragraph again, like I wrote a function call like what the freak, and inside of it, let's say a code, yeah, and let's check it out. yes, now this is what it does. It just makes it code. Maybe if you've seen documentation of certain languages, maybe you've noticed this one. Yeah, this is like all about styling a text. And yeah, basically that's it, and I'll see you next. So thanks for watching.